Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today. Yes, it's Monday. Monday in the daily newspaper of February the 22nd, 2021. I have here a puzzle page. Puzzle page, one page with an additional with extra Sudokus and one regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku. Yes. In additional, there are 8 extra Sudokus. But first, we will solve this medium Sudoku. Let me focus. Focus this. Yes, alright. And this Sudoku will be number. Focus, yes. Will be number 2, 3, 6, 2. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 star Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 2-star Sudoku. All right. So let's get started. All right. So let's get started. 6 missing numbers in the third column. 3 of those missing numbers are the 6, 3, and a 5. We have a 6, 3, and a 5 in this big square. So no 6, 3, and a 5 in those 3 boxes. The 6, 3, and a 5 goes in these 3 boxes. 6, 3, and a 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left. The 6 and the 3. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Alright. 3 missing numbers now in the third column. Those missing numbers are the 1, 4, and the 8 are missing. We see here 1 and a 4 in this row, so no 1 and a 4 in this box. The 1 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left in the third column for the number 8. Alright. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 2, 9, and 7. 2, 9, 7. We see here 2, so no 2 there. We see there 9, so no 9 there. So the 2 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 7. Alright. So we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column, 2 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, only place for the 2 should be there. And then 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, so no 2 in those 2 boxes. Here 2, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. So we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can't be a 2 anymore. This box should be a 2. And this should be a 9. Alright. Two missing numbers in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing and the 9 is missing. 6 and the 9. We see here 6 in this big square, so no 6 in this box. One box left for the 6. Should be there. One box left in this row for the number 9. Alright. 7, 6. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 3 boxes. One box left for the 4. Should be there. Alright. Three missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. 1, 3, 4, 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 8. 1 and 8 are missing. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have a 6 in the third column, 6 in the first column. So the column between the second column, only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 3. Okay. Let me think. 6 in this row, 6 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see, yes. Digit number 1, number 6. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 5, alright. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number is the 4. We see here 4 in this big square, so no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 1 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 4. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. The other pair in this big square, we have a 1 and a 7. The other pair should be the 3 and 8. 3 and the 8 are missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Okay. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 1 and 3. Cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 7 in this row, 7 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. Now we have a 7 here, so this box cannot be 7 anymore. This box should be a 7. This box should be a 1. Alright. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 7. Alright. Two in the last column, 2 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And now we have a 2 here. I've marked those 2 boxes with 2. This cannot be a 2 anymore. This box should be a 2. Alright. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 2. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number is a 9. Well, we have a 9 here, so no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. Wait. Okay, so 2 numbers left. The 8 and the 3 are missing. In this column, we have an 8 here, so no 8 there. 8 should be here. And 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 3. 2 numbers left in this first row for the numbers 1 and 4. Let me mark those. The other pair in this big square should be the 8 and the 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Now we have an 8 here, so this box can't be 8 anymore. This box should be an 8, and this should be a 1. Alright. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 9 and 3. No, we have a 9 here. 1 and 3. 9. Alright. 1 number left in the second column. This number should be the number 1 is missing. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 2 boxes. Here 1, no 1 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1, should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be a 1 anymore. This box should be a 1, and this should be a 4. 1 number left in the last column for the number 4. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 8. Let me mark those. How about these 2 numbers in this big square, the 3 and the 9. We have a 3 here, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this cannot be 3 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be an 8. 2 boxes left in this big square, the 8 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 3, yes. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 1 here, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Yes, finish in 60 minutes, alright. Great medium Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the extra Sudokus in the additional. See you then. Bye-bye for now.